November 9, early in the morning. This tricycle is owned by Arben. He's one of my workers at the farm. He wanted the lightings uh, wired up. So at the back, he want the left and right turn blinking, the blinkers on when it's turning left or right. The brakes, so the wiring took the whole of afternoon to be done up. So the battery will be installed right here. So and then I did the wirings. Should be done this morning, I think. And this is what it looked like. These lights will be on with a flick of a switch. The red light there's something wrong with the wires. And these lights will be also on. So yeah, it'll look pretty nice at night. So hopefully I'll finish it today and test it tonight to see how the lights will be. The motorcycle techs, I found that when I was doing the wiring, when this thing is sent to a shop, techs just cut wires like whatever, willy-nilly. And so I'm finding that there are wires that's just disconnected, covered with black tape. You know, the black tape, the favorite connections here in the Philippines. So yeah, I had to do a wiring trace to see how the lights are interconnected. And got the blinkers working, and also had to trace the wiring for the parking lights. And of course the battery doesn't charge. Battery's dead. There's something wrong with the magneto with this. So it's late in the evening now. I had the battery charging with the solar, and it should be fairly good. It should have a battery charge enough to turn on the lights. Wired the lights here. Later on I'll just protect these. This one, the grounding is came off, so I'll have to fix it. So I'm gonna turn the unit on. I had to, like I mentioned before, I had to trace the wiring. So once you learn how to trace one, they should be all the same. It's not complicated. And I had the battery here. I added a steering diode, the one that I use in the Samsung diode. So use it to steer the voltage from the battery. I don't want the plus and plus of the battery here to be connected in parallel. So I use the steering diode to isolate the two battery. So I've added a switch to manually turn on the lights. So here is the light. I guess one of the light is burnt. I'll have to check. Could be my wiring. And the front. I have to check if that's supposed to be a turn signal. This thing is partially on. That means the battery voltage is no good. So are these two partially on. So too bad, so sad. And with power, actually turn the key on. So that's okay. That's all right. So there's something wrong with the I don't think it's the wiring. Oh yeah, I have the light on. So here's the light. It's because it's blinking like that. It's the battery voltage. So that's the parking light. Whenever the thing is on. So there's a parking light. Parking light is on. Turn signal is okay. Okay, let's see here. Right turn. Right turn is fine. Yeah. Wiring seems to be okay. Just the battery voltage is no good. Alright. I guess tomorrow I'll finish it. And this is the, it can't be seen, but that's the solar charger. I think I broke it. Now I have to take it apart and figure out what's wrong with it. Yeah. Yeah, so pimping the tricycle. I had fun.